What up, Bills TV? I'm Big by Energy, and this is my bill. Hey, let's get you out of this rock storm. Come on in. We get these throughout the day. It's part of the allure of this planet. The rocks and the bubbles float from the ground. That's why I call this sky below. I've decorated my place with various knickknacks that I've acquired throughout my years of travel. This is one of my favorites. I just like to sit here and take it all in. We've come a long way. Well, they say that this is where the magic happens. Nah. To me, this is where the magic happens. These light sources have no electricity. They're bio-illuminated, and they're awesome. And these are so I don't get caught lacking. The last thing I need is to be out, get caught, and look around and realize, oh, I'm by myself. Always be prepared. This is my garage area. You know, there are no Bentleys, but they serve the purpose. I love them. They get me where I need to go. This area is all about utility. It's where I get ready to take off. Speaking of getting with me where I need to go, this little portal is everything. Wait, hold on. Take care of something real quick. Don't mind my aim. I don't have to shoot much anymore. Alright, let's check out the pool area. Shortcut. So this is my pool. I did this build from the ground up, literally. So we have a framed out section of the beach that I just made into a pool. And this is where we come to lounge. I'm very proud of what I've done here. So it's an honor to show it off to you guys. A lot of amenities down here. Anything you would need, a hot tub, bar, grill. We have it all here at the sky below. This took me quite a while to make, but I'm very happy with the results. Okay, well, guess the planet is telling you it's time to hit the skies. Alright. See you guys later. Just do it. You need a ride? Oh man, well, see, I'm fresh out of rides. And unfortunately, this is just a one-seater. But I'll race you to the sky. You're your mark, get set, go. Thanks for checking out my build. And remember, your only limit is your imagination.